Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. It's Farmers Market Day here in Yuba City, California. Last night I prepared a fun dish, and my God, is it easy? Sizzling spaghetti. I did add a few things. I added some sauteed onion, and I also sauteed the garlic with that. And I added a Roma tomato that was roughly diced. Other than that, everything, everything was exactly as the recipe called for, and I used dried herbs, which worked just fine. When you do add the hot oil, it does sizzle. Briefly, but it does. All right, it was fun. This is a dish I will do again, just because it's so simple. I had my prep done like right after I wrapped up getting all the video and recipes from the night before, online. I when it came into my office here, the kitchen office, and just knocked it out. But it was nothing to do. Super simple. Tonight, we are continuing the Culinary Expedition. Babe, I need another cup of coffee. The Culinary Expedition continues tonight. Actually, it's today and tonight, with a multi-step process for this dish. We're going to be in Guatemala. Yeah. I'm going to try the Spanish, but I will give you the English translation. Pepián de Pollo. Little French in there. Sorry. This is chicken stew in red sauce. It is definitely a stew. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. I'm taking not necessarily some shortcuts, but some smart cooking. Let's get to it. Okay, the hardware. We got a lot of hardware today. I'll start, not starting with, but I'm going to be using my brazier. You could use a Dutch oven. I'm only cooking just a half recipe. So brazier, my medium saucepan to cook the pollo, aka chicken. My small saucepan for doing some cooking of vegetables. My small stainless steel fry pan, because I'm going to be roasting some spices. And the crockery for some rice, because this is served over rice. So here's the hardware, and it's probably going to add up. Another pan or two. I'm using 3 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which I will poach a little bit later. Water, tomatoes, which I'm going to roast, and half of a white onion, which I will also roast and char. Some salt. There's no black pepper in this recipe. Some cilantro. It's from Guatemala. You got to have some cilantro. One of the tricks or tips, or whatever you want to call it, they call for whole dried chili peppers. I'm actually skipping a step and actually using the ground powders. Basilia or negro, guajillo. I will roast these in that the small stainless steel fry pan. It's easier to use the powders instead of trying to grind them in your grinder. Dried peppers are a pain in the butt to grind. That's why I buy mine. Sesame seeds, basically pumpkin seeds. These are no salt, these are just plain pumpkin seeds. I can't say the Spanish. It calls for a cinnamon stick. I'm just going to go straight to the Indonesian cinnamon. Annatto. You can either use corn tortilla or bread. This is for thickening down later on. The vegetables I'm going to add, I'll be cooking up some fresh green beans and a red potato. And again, I'll be serving this over rice. So you can see that it is a multi-step process to get to the finished stew. I do have a quick trip to the farmer's market planned this morning. I need some good Thai basil. I've already contacted the Young family to see if they're going to have it, and they're going to have it. So, quick trip to the farmer's market here in Yuba City today. I just had a coughing fit. Sorry. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.